Ultra Rising. So this is Soul Ra El Justice, aka Lord Hika Soul Ra, aka Black Butterfly, aka you already know me. Guys, I really want to introduce you guys to trading, right? Trading forex, right? And trading binary options HFX, which is high frequency, okay? Um I'm introducing this to this channel, and I want to just give you a breakdown of my perspective of how, my own experiences that I experienced when using binary options or trading forex and things of the way like that. First off, I want to thank you for being here. I want to ask that you kindly like the video, and comment any questions if you curious about anything, or if you want to know. So down here where it says Supernatural Academy, this is the name of my VIP private trading group. There's one-on-one mentoring about life, spirituality, trading. You can follow my trades, you can copy my trades, you can learn how to trade. And I will get more into that at the end of the video. Oh, yeah. So, let's get right into it. I don't want to waste you guys' time any further. So, for those that have been asking me, what is binary options or HFX trading, it is what you call high frequency forex trading. So, high frequency forex trading is a type of automated trading that uses algorithms to analyze markets and execute trades in a fractions of second. High frequency trading is a time based type of trading, and it's mostly traded by. It's often traded by bots, right? It's often traded by bots. HFX is often used by what I call smart money, and these are the banks, financial institutions, and institutional investors. They make large numbers of trades quickly. So they come through, they're the ones who actually move the chart numbers up, they move the chart numbers down, and they basically influence the movement of the charts, right? These big corporations and everything. So high frequency trading is the opportunity to make or lose all amounts of money in a small period of time, fast, right? So you can make a lot of money fast, you can lose a lot of money, right? So traditional forex is like, if you start off with a smaller account, it can kind of take days for you to even make that, flip your account or make the money that you're putting in back. When it comes to binary options or AFX trading, it's more of a speedy process. So it's more like fast money, more like quick money, right? So you can really take that money that you get, fast money, you can put it in your businesses. You can, go for pay for vacations. You can buy rental properties and things like that. Or you can also invest it in slower financial markets like the traditional forex trading. Okay. So now, and forex, like traditionally, you gotta have. I mean, it's better to have like a bigger amount of money to start with. But binary options, you can literally start making money today. Like with $50, uh, you can make money today. You know what I'm saying? That's just as simple as that, family. So um binary options, right, is a mechanical trading method. So mechanical means that there are ways to actually study the market and actually find out why the market is doing what it's doing. Why is the market going up, or why is it going down, or why is it ranging or going sideways, right? So it's very mechanical market, meaning because they use a lot of trading bots to actually trade binary options, and the large smart money, they use robots. And so that's why it's so mechanical for a smart day trader to basically identify, the actual mechanism of how the market is moving and what it's doing, okay? AKA the market cycle, right? So, binary options are based on a yes or no proposition, and it deals with the time expiration. So, for Forex, there is no time, regular traditional, because this is Forex and you trade in Forex pairs, right? But traditional Forex, there really is no it doesn't go by time. You put your stop loss in, you put your take profit in, and then once price hit that, then or you can even pull your money out, right? And some binary options you can uh do things like that. And Nadex, I believe so. I believe that Nadex is one of the regulated United North America exchanges. So they do things a little bit different there. But so for example, based on technical analysis, price gave an indication that it was going to stay high. So you as the trader would put high or call, because or low. Call, you will either put or you will call, right? You will push high or you will push low, because you see a high probability chance that the price will be higher at the end of your expiration time. So to break it down a little bit even better, right? You could say that is gold, right? Is the price of gold going to be higher or lower than the price it is right now in 5 minutes? Or in 10 minutes, in 4 minutes, or in 20 minutes, or in 15 minutes, or all the way up to 4 hours, right? And that's you could even go 5 seconds. You can go 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Me personally, um, I would stay away from doing time frames that small because it feels more like gambling in such a way because it's so much volatile. It's like you win a whole bunch and then you end up losing a whole bunch. So, I like to personally trade anywhere between three. Sometimes I do 2 minutes, right? So I would do 2, 3 minutes, but most of the time I'm doing five, all the way up to 14 minutes on a 5 minute chart, right? So binary options is time-based trading. For example, one could enter into a trade for $100. That current price will be higher or lower in 10 minutes, right? So you could take your $100 and put it in there and say, okay, I think this price is going to be higher or lower in 10 minutes. If the price is higher as expected, then the trader wins all. But if it isn't, then trader loses the amount of money risked. So that's it. You already know the money. You're only losing what you put in. When it comes to traditional Forex, depending on where you put your stop loss at and things like that, you could really like lose. Like you got to calculate the money or your risk, but sometimes the risk could change in those type of trades. So that's simply what binary options is and high frequency forex trading in a nutshell. Uh, Now, what are the advantages of trading binary options? HFX, right? The opportunity to trade with smart money, which has the potential to manifest big returns. Remember, smart money, which is your big corporations, your banks, your hedge funds, your institutional um, organizations, and stuff like that. This is what you call smart money. Since we know that smart money likes to use binary options to move large amounts of money really fast, this allows us to be able to see where the market is going or see the market structure or the market cycle, and and it allows you to see that condition all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like you can always pretty much see what condition is going on based on where big money is moving the um how based on how big money is moving the charts. So that's one advantage. Another advantage is simplicity, right? Very easy to learn. It's just simple. Is it yes, it's going to be higher, or no, it's not going to be higher, right? Binary options trading is known for being simple and accessible to both beginners and experienced traders. The concept is straightforward, involving predicting whether an asset's price will rise or fall within a set time frame. Also, there's a fixed risk. Fixed risk, I mean, you already know the amount of money you're risking on that trade upon entering for that trade or that contract. You know all possible outcomes before you trade, which can help you to manage your risk. This can also, that's what I'm saying. Yes, just as much as you can win money quick, fast in a hurry, large amounts of money, you can also lose it, right? But what I'm saying is it gives you a higher probability of growing your account because you have better risk management, right? Also, the profits, you can profit regardless of market direction when you're trading binary options, and that's what a huge advantage is, right? You can buy or sell depending on your market technical analysis, right? So that's how, let's say that you entered in for a buy because your technical analysis said that and through price action. But then let's say that within the price action, the charts just start moving the other way, but smart money start moving it the opposite way. You could just enter in, you know, the trades for the opposite way, and that will, that way you balance it out, right? So there are gonna be wins, there are gonna be losses. The whole objective of binary options, HFX forex trading, is that your wins be greater than your losses, right? And that's it. And so you have to really tap into your intuition, and because the entries are important when it comes to the time based trading, right? The entries are so important because you could be 1 second, 1 minute, and you could be a lot of points off, or you could be a lot of points on. Also, you can limit losses and increase your profits by placing another trade. That's what I was just explaining to you guys if you went the wrong way, right? Also, you could make money in minutes, generate large returns if traded correctly on a daily basis. That's what I'm saying. You can easily make anywhere between, once you get the hang of it, and once you learn proper risk management and stay in 1, 2, 3% risk of your account, you can easily make anywhere between 100 to 1,000 a day. Binary options can sometimes provide better than average returns. That's what I'm saying, because it's very, very quick. So look at this as, one of my mentors used to say, it's a vehicle. It's a vehicle to get you that money way quicker than you would have got it any other way. In order for you to have more freedom in your life, spend more time with your children, spend spend money on your business or promote your business or things like that. Okay, so that's what it's all about. It's just all about, it helps you to enjoy freedom and the life of freedom. All right, let's move on. So, what are the disadvantages of trading binary options? We got to give you the disadvantages as well. So, once you're in a trade, depending on what broker that you actually trade with, once you're in a trade, you're locked in until expected time expires. So, with traditional forex, you can enter into a trade, right? With traditional forex, you can enter into a trade. Once you enter into that trade, you can get out of that trade. You feel what I'm saying? Anytime you can move your stop loss, you can say this not looking good. You can cut your losses, you can get out. When it comes to binary options and high frequency forex, which is not so traditional, um, you cannot get out. Once you say, I think this price is gonna be higher in 2 minutes, then, and you cannot, when it come 1 minute and it's higher, you can't take the money out like, oh, you won already. You have to wait till that time expires. Also, another disadvantage of it would be there's non-leverage unless traders build leverage by continuously depositing money on a weekly or monthly basis. Now, when it comes to traditional forex, there's leverage, plenty of leverage, and there's really no limit on the no cap to how much money you can make per trade. But when it comes to binary options, there is a cap limit on how much money you make per trade because everything is fixed, so, and agreed upon before you even enter in the trade. There's already a risk and a reward agreed upon. But you can build leverage in binary options, and you do this by continuously depositing money in your account on a weekly or monthly basis, no matter if you win or lose. No matter if you had a winning month, no matter if you had a winning week, you still deposit money in your account so that once you do come across the very perfect high probability setup, you have the bigger risk, and that way you can get the bigger reward. That's how you really make that money in binary options, is you actually build leverage, and then once you get your perfect trades, You go all in. You know, when I say all in, I don't mean your entire account, because you always want to. This is a business, so you always want to have money to trade in your business. But I'm just simply saying that you go a little risky. That's what we call it. You just go a little risky, right? And that let's say that you was risking 2 or 3% of your account, but you leveraged your account. You had 200 extra list leverage. This only for leverage in your account. Let's say you came across a dream high probability trade. So what you would do, you could take that 150 from that 200, add it to your 2 or 3% that you're already risking, and then you go. That's what I mean by that. And then that way you made all that money really fast, because it's high probability. Only clear high probability setups is good to leverage on. So another disadvantage is a lot of the brokers are loosely regulated brokers. Um, there are a few that are regulated, but most of them are not. And this just means that there's no rules basically. So there's a high probability chance of manipulation, but manipulation occurs in any market. Trust, it just does. It happens in any market. So also, another disadvantage is earning potential is limited to each trade. That's what I was telling you. In traditional forex, you can enter a trade and you can be risking $1,000, but you can literally make 16,000 on that one trade based on how your take profits are put, and based on if they're triggered, right? So it doesn't matter if price moves 300 points higher than your entry at expiration time. Even if you went for a buy and you won the trade, you still only get the fixed amount of what was agreed upon before entering a trade. No more, no less, right? And I will be coming on here doing more videos of just actually practicing, so I can just show you actually in real time, like how, like, some of the stuff that I'm talking about, actually whole examples. I don't know why I didn't do it on this one, but we will. All right, now let's get to the last. So, how to get started and make money today, right? This is the cake. This is the cake. To get started, click the link in the description box, right? And this link will help you to also practice on demo. This link will help you to register, and you can upon practicing on demo account, if it's for you, you can you'll get 50% extra on top of what you deposit in your account. So I recommend joining my private VIP Supernatural Academy, which is free. It's very free, by the way, to join. However, there are some instructions to follow in order to join. Um, and the instructions are, you have to click that link down below and register for a Pocket Options account, which is right here. You register for a Pocket Options account with my link that's down below. And then you deposit your first $50 in the account, and you also going to get 50% on top of that. If you deposit $200, then you get 300. If you deposit 50, then you get $100. Okay. So also, once you join the free membership, right? um it's like $14 a month, right? And you get one-on-one mentorship for mindset, trading psychology, spirituality, and spiritual life coaching in general. You get to copy my live trades, which is 3 to 4 times a week, which grants you the opportunity to earn while you learn in depth technical analysis explained, and mechanical methods, and why I took each trade, so that you can be independent and trading on your own. This is a community, so you can also post your trade ideas. So you can also post trades that you caught and set up. And we do live Zoom calls every week, and we also do one-on-one. So valuable information, that we can all benefit from. We all just post it in there, and it's just a community of togetherness. And with that being said, if you would like to go further in unlocking your destiny of financial freedom and unlocking the destiny of your birthright and maintaining it all, especially maintaining it all, then just hit the link down below. Make sure you email me. My email is down below. Once you click the link, you register for the account, and then you add you email me, and then after you deposit $50, what happens is you send me your user ID, and then you're up and ready to start it right now. The $50 is for you to have money to trade, because it's really better to trade on an actual real account. So that way, after you get used to the demo for a little bit, don't stay in demo too long. Just go in a real account, because it's gonna be different. The demo account is different from trading in a real account, because the emotions are not involved, because you're not playing with real money. So you get to actually test yourself to see how you act under pressure, or how you act while you actually in the live markets. And that's what it's all about, people. So I love you. Have a great day. I promise to, keep this fire coming on this YouTube channel. I will be doing live one day a week. I will be doing live binary options trading, and you can make sure you subscribe, like, and comment so that you can watch me, right? Once a week, I'll do it on YouTube for free. You can watch me, and we can go further than that. Have a great evening.